Ningbo Zentech Air Conditioning and Refrigeration Company Limited is an expert in supply of refrigeration, air conditioning, and ventilation equipment, parts and accessories. Our mission is to let everyone on the planet enjoy fresh and comfortable indoor air and life. Our company is located in Ningbo, a beautiful harbor city in eastern China, which enjoy the transportation and industry convenience. We provide a complete HVAC range and professional one-stop solution, covering refrigerant, copper tubes, air conditioning spare parts, ventilation ducting, and air diffusion. Most of our products are approved by CE, RoHS, and UL. Our company owns a series of production lines, molds and patents. As an ISO 9001 certified company, we keep innovating and improving the manufacturing technology to ensure each product meet industry's top standard and exceed consumers' expectation. In the past 10 years, our company has been striving to deliver premium quality commodity while keeping cost-effective and trying best to meet various requirements of customers from each corner of the world. Within less than a decade, our company became a global company, supplies more than 60 countries. Our ventilation brand Airandis and refrigeration brand Comfortplanet are widely recognized by our valued customers all around the world. We are very proud to be among the top 3 exporters in ventilation and HVAC industry's 5-star seller on Alibaba platform. Contact us and be our partner. We will create a brighter future.